Hello and welcome to another Aditum studio video. If you are new in this channel, we are a virtual interior design studio where we decor any kind of space just using 3D rendering methods. In today's video, we will decor a 33 square meter apartment in Switzerland. So this is a video that we received from the owners. This apartment is located in Zurich and I live in Denmark, so again, I've never been in this place before. And the story behind this design is that the owners are both doctors who live in completely another country but travel here individually once a week in a month to work at a hospital, so they don't stay here both at the same time. Long story short, the needs to decor this place were that this has to be a very relaxing and chill place to rest after a long day at work. Find a place to read and work on a laptop, and no extra storage was necessary, so you will not see a wardrobe here. They considered to buy one of these chaises, this dresser, and maybe this bistro-style table. The unique item they owned was this beautiful Minotti bed. After some planning and different kind of distribution, we decided that the best was this one. Once we enter, we will find the kitchen and the entrance cabinet, the bathroom, the dining and the living area and the bedroom area. This is the mood board that I designed with the very peaceful vibes and the blue as the main color. And without further ado, let us turn into the modern hand. Here in the entrance we will see the shoe cabinet with the big mirror, and on the left hand the kitchen. Few steps ahead we will see the dining and the living area, and if you have noticed, the table is not bistro bar and the sofa is not a chisel either. And that is because it wasn't look as good as they thought, so they ended up finding a great second-hand bargain. The sleeping area is made up of IKEA furniture, both the cabinets and the logs. The beds is already the one that they own. For the bedside table, I offered them to find something a bit different from the rest, something classic and with more personality, to make a little bit of contrast in all this whiteness. The bookcase is also from IKEA. In real, it cannot stay there, but I left it just in case another person watched this, like it, and maybe want to copy this. So that's all for today's video. I leave you with some real images of the apartment. Really hope you like it. Make sure you are already subscribed, and I will see you next time. Bye!